The dry blower usually creates so much dust I can't get a look at what's coming down the riffle trays. Today we had damp soil, so I had a bit better chance to get a look at what was going on. You'll notice there's a big difference in the amount of dust coming off that pile compared to what we've had in previous trials. So I don't know if that's a good thing, but we'll wait and see what happens when the dirt gets dry, whether reducing the stroke of the bellows has improved it or not. I don't know. Without all the dust, you can get a bit of a look at the vibrating screen. The top and bottom screen vibrate together, and then that vibration is transferred to the bin, which is also vibrating, and right down to the riffle trays, they vibrate as well.